आम्ही आज कॅप्टन MP मेळपा येयले because of the environmental which violations which the environment minister himself is carrying out in his property in my village, that is Karmana, in survey number 57 and 58, 57-0 and 58-0, on the banks of River Sal, which is classified under 4A of the CRZ rules. He has asked to construct temporary enclosures in Khazan lands, which is completely in violation of CRZ rules and regulations of 2011, and that is why we have given a representation to the honorable MP, so that can be taken up at the parliament, because it is conflict of interest. This guy is the environment minister and he is the law minister, and he is violating this. This is constitutionally totally a violation of the constitution. And as a media, I would request you are the fourth pillar of democracy. You all should go and ask him what we are saying, whether it is correct or wrong. Let him give his say.
We think he is the only savior right now for South Goa and for Goa. Okay, Indian Inland Waterways Authority has declared three jetties in River Sal and many more in other rivers of Goa. So we came to highlight that. We want to know where these jetties are coming up in River Sal, and what is the purpose of these jetties, whether it is for coal, whether it is for casino or any other purpose. Because right now panchayats have not been taken into confidence where the jetties are coming or what is the purpose of these jetties. So हाका लागून आमी कॅप्टनाक मेळपा येयल्ले, so that he raises this issue in parliament, in the forthcoming parliament session, and brings it up, and we know what are the details of this.
Okay, and
Second, another issue is there of Carmona, where there are violations of CRZ, okay, by law minister and environment minister. So we have brought that issue up also of Carmona, so that we are fighting for that also.
रिवर नॅशनलायजेशन ह्यो आमच्यो सगल्यो न्हंयो सेंटराक दिल्यो तेन्ना जायते आमचे फिशरमॅन भाव हॅड ऑब्जेक्शन ऑन दीस 2016 जेन्ना ह्यो न्हंयो सेंट्रलाक तेन्ना आमचे फिशरमॅन भाव वी हॅड पूट ऑब्जेक्शन देन कांय कारणाक लागून आयज त्यो न्हंय सेंटराच्या ताब्यांत पडल्यो. पूण आज आमकां गमोवंक आयलां की there are two private jetties which are coming in River Sal. आमचे हे बेनावलीम ब्लॉक जशें आमचो अपकीत ग्रेशियस सोलन, तशेंच आमचे एक्स सरपंच आसा वर्गाचे महिला प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ काँग्रेस. सो ते इश्यूज आमचे MP कॅप्टन विरियातो बरे घेवन आयिल्ले to highlight this, and we will not allow this, what is happening, what is going on, the destructive project. So we have decided to go in all the surrounding villages and all the panchayat which will be affected or which are adjacent on the banks of River Sal. So we will take these issues as a Congress party. We will take the issues in all the panchayat in Salset which will be affected in River Sal. So हे ग्राम सभाक रेजोल्युशन घेवन सगळे वी वील पुट ऑब्जेक्शन, आनी तशेंच आमचे खासदारान सांगलां ते बरोबर वी वील बी विथ द पीपल ऑफ गोवा.
पळय पयले सुवातेर आयज ते आमी रिकमेन्स केल्ल्या नव्या वर्साक कॅप्टन 0 आवर म्हूण आमी स्टार्ट केल्ले पळय ते लोकांचे इश्यू घेवन. सो आयज बेनावलीम ब्लॉक आयला आनी आमचो हांगा एक एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट आहा जो झूज मांडटा खूब वर्सां जालीं, वेर हे स्टडी करत जाल्यार द एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा हिमसेल्फ seems to be in violation. As of now I am saying seems to be. As per this I am convinced he has done massive violations in his property, violation of CRZ laws. I don't know what is Goa's Coastal Zone Management Authority doing about it. So I have promised them whatever possible we will pursue this thing. We cannot allow our environment, आमचो गोंयचो पळय environment आसा तो destroy करपाक, and none other than the environment minister himself. So our team will be studying this, going through all the facts. What are the violations? They have, I believe, filed complaints. हाचे पयलीं 3 इन्स्पेक्शनां जाल्यात आनी तरी पूण कांय एक्शन घेवना. दॅट मीन्स क्रिस्टल क्लियर की एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर आनी हो सरकार आर misusing their power to legalize an illegal act, destroy करता आणि तरी पूण एजन्सीज आर नॉट टेकिंग एक्शन. म्हणजे हातून वी आर सीइंग अ क्लियर केस ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शन. आय हॅव प्रॉमिस्ड देम वॉट एवर पॉसिबल. अशे तर लोक सगळे युनायट आसत गांवचो जाल्यार आमच्यान एक एक गांव सेव करपाक जाता, केदोय व्हडलो सरकार जावन. सो अशे आनी दुसरे आयल्यात केसी. देर आर सम थिंग्स. हाचे पयलीं आनी एक आयिल्ली अबाउट सम जेटीज वीच आर कमिंग अप, नॉट ओन्ली हियर, शेळवण आनी कितें, विदाउट टेकिंग पीपल इन टू कॉन्फिडन्स. पंचायताक इग्नोर करतात. One of our gentlemen said, this is happening because Goa is the only state where 73rd and 74th amendment have not been implemented. There are 27 disciplines mentioned कि 73rd amendment or implement करीत. 27 disciplines which will come under the control of the पंचायत. म्हणजे कॉमन पंचायत म्हणजे कॉमन पर्सन, विलेजर्स, आम आदमी, तांच्या हातान येतलो पावर. तो कित्याक पावर दिना? कित्याक असले करपाक जाता म्हणून, डिस्ट्रॉय करूंक जाता म्हणून आपणाच्या ओन फायद्याक. सो एट वॉट एवर levels I will raise this issue.
Captain, is this Panchayat Raj Act, do you think is not implemented properly in Goa?
Not in totality. Goa is the only state 73rd amendment and 74th amendment implement जावना. ते जायत जाल्यार आमच्या पावर गेलाय.
So are you going to take this in this upcoming assembly
Yes.
session?
Parliament session I will raise this demand. I will raise. There is Supreme Court judgment also on this. For implementation.
Captain, the next, do you want to talk something about this double tracking in Valsam?